Welcome back to my channel and thanks for staying with me. Today I'm gonna make white Russian, very simple one. It's kind of strong and it has only 3 ingredients in it. Ice in the cup first. Okay. Right, my glass is ready in here. First thing first, let's put some ice cube in here. There we go. 1.5 ounce vodka. I'm using vodka peach. Exactly 1.5 ounce vodka in here. Exactly 1 ounce Kahlua. Yay! Exactly 1 ounce Kahlua. Last but not least, ice cream Baileys. Like it. Of course, 1 ounce in here. 1 ounce ice cream. There you go. I'm gonna shake it. Okay, everything is ready. On time. It did around 10 seconds for proper mixing. And now I'm gonna pour it. In the glass. Great. This is your white Russian. Cheers. As I told you, it's really strong, but I like it. Sometimes you can drink like this. And for men, for guys, literally, sometimes it's very necessary to drink some hard drinks, right?